Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to try out something new and do an updo with an extension for our big curly ponytail. So my hair is really dry right now and I'm going to just use some water in a spray bottle and just spray that through my hair. Now what you can do to make it even easier to manage is put some little oil. You can use olive oil, argan oil, any type of oil. Just put that in your spray bottle with water and it will make your hair nice and easy to manage. So if you watch my videos, you know I keep on saying this. This brush is like, I don't know, if you have natural hair, you need this brush. So I'm just using it to comb my hair upwards into the position where I'm going to have my puff. And this will also make it easy for me to hold my hair together because it will make it nice and flat. As you can see, I'm not struggling with anything. I'm just, it's quite easy. I always say to myself that I look like a little child when I hold my hair up in this kind of updo, and I think that's why I don't wear my hair like this and I like to use an extension. So secure your hair nicely with a scrunchie or a puff holder. And what I'm going to do to lay my hair down nice and flat is I'm going to use pink oil moisturizer. Now for such a style, I could have used Eco Gel, but I prefer to not to because Eco Gel can sometimes make my hair like too wavy, which I don't want for this specific style because I want my hair to just really lay down easy. So this brush will make sure that the moisturizer, the pink oil moisturizer, is getting through down to my scalp, and it will make sure that I can really give my hair like really nice hold. So just going in with a toothbrush to make sure all the flyaways are secure, and yeah, I think now we are good to go. So after I do this, I'll just proceed to get a headscarf and then I'll just tie this around my hair. And yeah, you like to, hold this a little bit tight so that it can hold that hair together. And then you can be able to get like a nice flat looking, hair. So just quickly, I just want to get my face together quickly before I unravel my hair to you guys, yeah? So now that I'm done, I'm just going to take this off. And as you can see, my hair has gone down. Yeah, it looks quite good. It looks quite good. It's not yet there, but it looks quite good. So we are going to proceed and we're going to put our extension. So I'm using an extension called Fashion Idol. This is not sponsored, but this is what I'm using right now. It's nice and it has really bouncy and healthy looking curls. So I'm just going to use 2 bundles of this, which is like 1 pack, and I'm just going to tie that around my hair, just to give me that nice look. So this is how the hair looks. As you can see, it looks quite good and it doesn't look so different from my hair. So I'm going to unfold this and maybe have just like 2 lines of it, and then I'll be able to just tie this in a circular way around my ponytail. So why I like, when you have short natural hair, you can leave your ponytail out without tying it into a knot. And that's because it will also give, the hair a little bit of shape. Like you won't have a ponytail looking downwards. So that nice small poof of your real hair will give the ponytail shape, as you can see. So I'm just tying this around my puff, and at the end I just use a bobby pin and just secure that nice and easy. Feel free to detangle the hair in case it's looking a little bit messy. You can expect that because you're mostly just rotating it around, so you will need to organize it afterwards. And as I said, I'm using 2 bundles of this because this is so little, so I need another layer just to really give it volume and to have the nice va-va-voom, looking effect. So yeah, going to proceed. Let me do this again. And at the end, I'm going to still do the same thing and secure my hair with a bobby pin. So as you can see, I think we're getting there. We're getting there slowly by slowly. Now to secure my hair, I like to get like 1 strand of hair and just tie that around my hair just to make sure that I don't have, like the piece or the extension popping out. So our hair is already looking good right now, but for our final step, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Eco Gel just to make sure I get all those flyaways and also to give my hair a nice finish, yeah? So you can use a simple toothbrush and then just comb through your hair with a little bit of Eco Gel. Don't use way too much because then it will make your hair way too wavy. So just put it on top and then just secure your edges. Make sure your hair is looking really nice. Feel free to tie a headscarf around your hair one more time just to make sure that the eco gel just gets everything nice and tight together. As soon as you get that hairband or that headscarf off, trust me, your hair is going to be looking good and you'll be ready to get out of the door. So thank you guys for watching this video. I think it turned out really well. I hope you try it out for yourself, and make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you actually like this kind of hairstyle, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And for more content like this, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you never miss a thing. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.